We have the classic Army Armalite M15a4. It has full trademarks and is full metal. As you can see, I ran the wires to the rear so I could house a larger battery inside the MOLLE pouch as shown. The charging handle is merely for show because pulling on it does not release the dust cover. The dust cover is actually magnetic. The hop-up can be found behind the magnetic dust cover. The handrail is made of a tough ABS plastic just like the real thing. This model features a fully adjustable iron sight. The fire selector has 3 settings: safe, semi, and auto.